Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying credentials. You'll need your phone PIN and any carrier password to change barring. Open the phone app, tap Settings, then Call Settings. This puts the controls in front of you. Once there, find the call barring or call blocking entry. Some carriers label it fixed dial or supplementary services. Make sure your network signal is stable before proceeding, because requests fail without it. Now you're ready to select which barring type to cancel and move to the next step. Now you choose which barring to cancel, outgoing, incoming, or all calls, because each toggles different restrictions. Tap the specific entry and the phone will ask for PIN2 or the call barring password. Enter it calmly, since repeated attempts may lock the feature. If settings are grayed out, use your carrier's specific MMI code or their mobile app to change the flag. This bypasses handset limits. Once authenticated, the toggle should become editable, so switch it off and confirm the change. Finish by confirming the change. Make a quick outgoing call and ask someone to call you back to verify incoming ability. If the setting appears unchanged after toggling, restart your phone to refresh network commands. This often clears cached states. If problems persist, contact your carrier. Provide your IMEI and account info so they can reset barring on their end. One troubleshooting tip: if a PIN2 is unknown, the carrier can issue a PUK2 or perform the cancellation remotely. Call them directly for secure resolution.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.